This is a Brother Correctronic 360 word processing typewriter. It does have several different modes where it has like a word processing function where you can create documents and print them and edit them and all that kind of stuff like you would with any word processor, or you can just use it as a typewriter like in this mode, and like I'll just type out Brother and you can see it's typing that fine. It does have some cool functions though, like word out here. You can just erase an entire word just by hitting that button. And you can see it's not absolutely perfect, but yeah, it mostly erases it. Also, you can just go correct. There's a correct button here, or if you just want to do one letter, you can do that. So, but yeah, it works great, and it's very clean. And yeah, I'm not going to really show any other features just because I don't really know how to use it, but it does work 100%. Thanks for watching.